Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Hello guys and welcome back to episode 7 of Vlogmas. Today it is the day I'm going to Hermes, but first up I'm going to my doctor and after that I'm going straight to Hermes. I don't know yet what I am going to decide on when it comes to the bag, but I will show you the bag and yeah, I'm very excited. Even though I don't know if I'm going to take it still, but it is very exciting. So yeah, let's go. Hello guys, so now I'm back home again from the doctor's appointment and also from Hermes. And as you probably could see, I don't have a bag with me from Hermes back home. And the reason for that is because I felt that the Kelly was a little bit too similar to the one that I have currently. Because the one that I have currently is the Vert Jade, which I showed you in the video. And it doesn't look very similar on camera. But in the end, both are green bags and my green Kelly is in 28 and the one that I got offered was in 25, so it's not the biggest difference when it comes to the size, and also I think the usage would be way too similar, so therefore I didn't buy it instantly, but I have until tomorrow to say yes or no to it. But I'm a little bit hesitant when it comes to the bag because I think it is going to be way too similar, and yeah, I don't know. I prefer if I have to choose between the one that I already have and the one that I got offered. If I had to choose between those two, I would instantly pick the Vert Jade because I really like that color and it's my favorite green color. So I think my answer is in that, because if I bought the Vert Yucca one, which one would I pick the most? And I think in the start I would pick the Vert Yucca one the most because it's new and it is exciting, but in the end I really like the Vert Jade color more, and yeah, I think that's my answer. But we will see what I think about it later. because I have all day tomorrow to think about it and to make a decision on it. But I think I'm not going to take it. It's a very luxury dilemma, but I think I'm going to say no. I have said no before to other bags at Hermes, so I'm not afraid of doing that. But still, it is a bag that I thought that I wanted, but I have set my mind on a mini Kelly, and therefore I also feel that if I go for the 25 now and will work towards a mini Kelly, it's a lot of work to put my name on the list for a mini Kelly again and try like I have done now. So I feel that I just have to go with the original plan to get a mini Kelly, and after that I can have fun with my bags and wish for, because I really want a Birkin 30, one more, and I also want a Birkin 25. I also want multiple mini Kellys, and at some point I think I will get a Kelly 25, but I think it has to be in a different color, so I don't have to choose between my Virgin Kelly and the Kelly 25. So I have different usage when it comes to the different bags, because I also like to swap a little bit between my bags and have the opportunity to just pick the one that suits my outfit the most, not because of the color that I like. But yeah, but the appointment was very good and the bag was untouched. It came with everything, also the paper band around the box, so it was untouched. Nobody has opened it, and I was the first one to look at it, and that was such a good experience. I really appreciate the Hermes team in Oslo. They are so good, and it is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, Hermes boutique, because my Hermes journey started there, and I also feel that they are like family. I know them very well, and yeah, I'm so thankful for the Hermes boutique and all the opportunities that they have given me. Even though I didn't came home with a bag today, I still believe it's going to be something very good waiting for me at some point. And my doctor's appointment didn't go that well. I was hoping that the results were going to be better, but it seems like my body is struggling a bit more, so now I have to wait a little bit longer to see what's going on with my body. And yeah, so for now I think the Paris plans is put on ice, because since I'm getting health care here, I have to be here to receive it, so therefore I need to be here, unfortunately. I wish it was different, but that's the situation, and I just have to accept it and prioritize my health. So that was the day, and yeah, now we are going to make some food. I think we are going to have Norwegian tacos today. It's something that I have really craved, so we are going to make that today. Don't think I have done anything else. Tomorrow I'm going into the city, and I'm also going to film the advent calendar, and I will also go to Loewe, because I have something that I'm going to pick up there. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later after I have eaten, and yeah, let's go and make dinner. Hello guys, so now it is some couple of hours later and the clock is around 9:30. But I'm thinking about just ending this Vlogmas episode here, because I'm quite tired and I have to edit this one, so it goes live later tonight. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas episode with my Hermes appointment, and tomorrow I'm going into the city to look at the bag once again to see if I made the right decision or if I regret it. So that was it, and thank you so much for watching this Vlogmas episode. If you are watching until now, I really appreciate you, and if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.